Here we are. We're down at AZ EUROS. It's Average Joe Cars. We're gonna put this little beast on the dyno today. See what's going on with it. It might be fine, might not be. I think the car should be faster. So we're gonna check it out here down at AZ EUROS and figure out if there's anything that we can do to make this car a little quicker. All right, we're gonna do another run off of the baseline. This is essentially a second baseline so that we can get some reference on what kind of boost the supercharger is making, as well as what the air fuel ratio is. Here we go. There was an abort for whatever reason. I love it when you pick up power and you didn't try. Yeah. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today down at AZ EUROS. Hanging out with Christian and the boys down there, getting this bad boy on the dyno. Found out that the air fuel ratio is a perfect 12-to-1. She's making 8.5 pounds of boost, which is 2 pounds more than what it's supposed to make. So we think it might be a little bit down on power. This motor's got about 25,000 miles on it. The supercharger has about 22,000 on it. So we could have a little bit of carbon, might mess with the timing a little bit. It could be spark plugs. Nothing major. I mean, if we're only down maybe 20-30 horsepower from what the kit was stock. So we'll tinker around with it, see what we can get going on. If you like what you saw today, thanks for watching. Click subscribe, do the thing, whatever those people do on those fancy channels. And join us next time for some cool content. Later.